Hey, sup, y'all? I got me a Rockstar. Okay. I'm gonna make this sweet and short. I'm just gonna go straight to the point. I drink this to get the gas circulating in my system, and frankly, I already got it warmed up. So, so we'll get started immediately. Amelie. I can't even talk it all, Can't even talk it all, not it all. Amelie, you Amelie, they Millie. They milling? They're milling? What are they milling? Are they milling wheat? I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, that was a crazy laugh, dude. Why would you laugh like that? Because I can. And I have the freedoms of speech from the articles of faith. Yeah. You better know. You don't even know what the articles of faith are, do you? Huh. Why am I yelling? Because I can. Okay, anyway. You hear the wind. Yeah, I hear the wind. Yeah. Well, I cannot. Sorry. I can't do that again. You sure can do that. Yeah. Yeah. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Woo! I'm full of air. But not as much as... Oh, I'm not going to even say that. Because I'm a nice person. Okay? Not as much as your head does. I'm an airhead. Well, aren't we all sometimes? I think that might be the record. Right? Baby! Yeah! I nearly puked. Yeah. Well. Wait. It's on another level. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Whew. Let's see if I can even beat that last one. Stay down. Tastes good. I love the air. It tastes good around here, man. Even though we live next to a toilet place. In other words, sewage. We live next to a sewage factory. That was not as long as that one. That was really... It's just too much gas. Yeah. Wow, that was a wet one, man. Woo! Oh man. How's my mustache look? Huh? That was good. It's really good. Yes, it's me, Mario. Yeah, it's me, Mario. Yeah, ho 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 ho. I'm Toad. Anyway. I'm Toad. No, I'm Peach. Yeah, I'm Peachy. Yeah, middle finger up to you, mother effer. Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah. It's not what he thinks. He doesn't say middle finger up to you. Do. I do. Bitch. Oh, man. This is just a crazy video going up at the top of the dome and spitting the flow, spitting the gold. Yeah, oh yeah, rhythmic flow. Yeah. You better just go. Yeah, off at the top of the dome. I got friends. Anyway. Sorry. This is going to be a full video, and I'm never going to make a video again. Sorry, but that's the last one. That's the last time I'm doing this again. So y'all better just kick up your feet and keep watching. Yeah, woo-hoo. Keep watching, man. Hey, because you know I'm the best. Yeah, well, I'm trying. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I really do. I been improving my. I've been improving everything that I like to do, and there will be more shows for the likes of you. Yeah, I like to rhyme, you fool. Did you not know what the rhyming do? What does the rhyming do? It come on off at the top of the mind, you fool. Put you into a mighty pool. Throw you into a pool. A frightening fool. Yeah, you. Throw you into a nightly pool. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to puke, man. I felt the taste of my shake from that one. Woo! Well, ain't nobody perfect. Just so you know. I'm trying my best to do what I love doing. Y'all wanna hate? You can hate. Get off my Facebook, dude. Get off. Go away. Just click delete. I don't need you. You don't like the video? Why are you watching, dude? Did you even get to this point for a reason? Because you liked it? Oh wow, you're still here. Ah! Anyway, I'm a crazy saint. See, yeah, I'm saintly. I'm planning to be every day. Do it on the daily. I'm real saintly, and you ain't. See, whoo, you can't be what you trying to be. I can rhyme with ease, and I like to be what I like to be, off of the top of the mind with ease. Yeah. Let's try one more. Let's try one more gather burp. That's what I call a gathered belch. Okay? So, I'm going to go as long as I can. Drink this. Maybe it won't turn into a fart, but if I'm being too quiet, just wait. Just wait. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. That was chunky. Chunky. Woo-hoo! Yeah, I'm lit. Yeah, I'm always lit. Yeah, you better know I am legitimate. Coming up at the top of the dome. Break your leg for show. Yeah, I'm the legitimate mo. Little mo. Yeah, lit 'em up a little mo. Coming up at the top of the dome, you little hoe. Yeah, I'm gonna smack yo. Ooh, too bad, ho. Sorry. I don't know what I have to say. You trash! You trash, yo! Wow! Ho! I'm full of energy because of this freaking rock star trying to make me a rock star. You think I'm a rock star with a guitar, dog? I'll get up on a cop car with a rock star in my rock hard hand, and I want to start dancing. Yeah, I like to rhyme off of the top, prancing on a horse. I know that's random, of course, and I always keep my rhymes in tandem, you whore. Ooh. Anyway, I can't stand you more because you're embarrassing me. My family be saying that to me. And the veins in my neck are being really veiny. Ooh. Yeah. Wow. Okay, I'm going crazy. Yeah, that was slow, dude. You're slow. You can't think of rhymes. You're never going to be the best rhymer ever in the world, huh? You're going to be the best. Shut up, dude. That's what the haters look like. This is what they look like. I'm laughing behind my computer, and I think you're a loser, and you look like a pooper in your pantser. Oh, Spencer. Get your ugly butt out of here, man. Your butt face. Dude, you're talking all that crap. Quit it. Yeah. Sweating, man. All because of the haters, man. It's all because of the haters. Okay. I got my coat on, man. Anyway, bye. Okay, just kidding. Okay, bye. I'm just going to end the video now. Bye. Just kidding. Subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Yeah. That was a burp. Goodbye. Okay? I was supposed to make this 5 minutes long. I made it too long. But yo, look at the light. Oh, call me, homie, homie, ha! That was cool, man. How'd you do that? It's a light, dude. It's a freaking light. Come on now. That's grow up, dude. Shut up, dude. Quit watching my video. You got this far just to judge me? Yeah, go ahead. Say something in the comment section. Just it'll make me want to quit everything. You know what? I don't quit nothing, dude. I love what I do. And if you don't like it, get off my Facebook. Get off. Get off, dude. Where do you get off? Yeah, I'll set you off. Yeah, set the bar. Yeah, you don't have any bars. Yeah, you're gonna get me far. You're gonna say from afar some shiz that you are not what I are. Yeah, it's restricted in her. Yeah. Anyway, I'm done rhythmic rapping. Yeah, spitting the flame again. Yeah, get the gains and gains and gains. Okay, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. All right? I'm going to end the video. Stay safe. Anyway, haters, you know, you can hate all you want, but I love you. I love you. And I love you. And y'all need to keep loving and praying for everybody because everybody needs it. And yes, we are in a spiritual warfare. And you don't think it is a spiritual warfare, then you got to wake up, dude. Because yes, it is spirits you're hearing, dude. You think it's just your brain? No, dude. They're moving things. They move those things, dude. You saw the broom fall, yeah? Oh, yeah. You saw the broom fall on its own. It ain't no witch moving it. I ain't no witch. Think I am? What do you think I am, dude? Call me! Call me! Sorry. All right, yo. I'm proud of my videos. Just so you know. I really don't care what any haters say. I love you. That's what I say. So keep watching. It's the longest video I've done for a while, but it's all worth it. Hope you all enjoyed it. Have a nice day. All right. That was the end. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that. Click on that. All right. Click on that bell. All right. Click the bell. And look what time it is. It's time to go. All right. And